Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android. The first thing to do is you just have to open your WhatsApp account and you can add another account here by going to the three dots at the top right corner, go to your settings, and what you're going to do here is to click this arrow facing down beside the QR code icon. So once you tap this arrow facing down, then you will see here your number or your account and then click this add account in order for you to add another account here in WhatsApp. So what you're going to do next is to click this agree and continue, and then you have to link or enter the information of your second account here in WhatsApp. Okay. The second method is you can simply go to your settings if you are using Android, but actually it depends on the device that you're using. Some Android or some phones, if they go to settings and then go to the search bar and look for dual application, then probably if you have this option or feature on your Android device, all you have to do is to click this one here. And then you can use the same application but with different accounts. So unfortunately, I don't have this feature, but for some Androids like me or with the same device like I have now, we have this what we call app cloner. And then what you're going to do here is to choose that application that you want to have or want to add another account. So all you have to do is to toggle this one on if you want to add another account, for example, for your WhatsApp. So that is the second method. And unfortunately, I have a very low phone storage, so I cannot turn this one on. But in case that you have, you just have to toggle that one on and then log in your second account. The third method is all you have to do is to go to your Play Store application or App Store and then look for this multiple account and then install. Now, here's the thing. Once you open or launch this application, you can see or you can add applications such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and other application here. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to click allow. So as you can see, there is WhatsApp. Click this plus icon to add another application. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this to my home screen so that it would be easier for me to add my another account on WhatsApp. Okay. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Tap next, and then all you have to do is to log in your second account here on your WhatsApp. Okay, so after that, you can add this to your home screen like this one. As you can see, I have here two WhatsApp account, and the first is my main account, and the other one is my other account. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.